Open RiVR Encoder. Press Add Video. Navigate to the video location and press Open. Press on the drop-down for Render Preset. Select 4K unless otherwise instructed to you by RiVR. Press on the drop-down for VR format and select your video's format. This will probably be 360 2D mono. Press where it says H.265 and press H.264 unless otherwise instructed by RiVR. Press Choose Output Path. Now choose the file location where you would like your encoded video to be saved to and press on Save. Now press Save Settings. Then press Render. Your video will now be encoded. This may take some time. You will then see the spinning wheel disappear. This means your encoding has finished.